Guys, if I don't look good, probably is because I don't feel good. I can't even bend forward. Excuse me, I did just take my antibiotic. Let me do like this. Right over there. It's literally 2 fingers next to my cat. I figured it out. I have to take antibiotics. I should go to the bin. And I'm gonna take it 8 o'clock, 12 o'clock. And then or 8:30, 1:30, and then 5:30. Yeah, yeah, that's the best one. Because at least then it's 4.5 hours later. Because you must have a 4 to 5 time span between taking your antibiotics, so you have to give it time to work first. It was actually 8, 12, and 4 because last time I was on antibiotics, I had to drink it 4 times a day, and now it's 3 times a day. So I'll just check, but I know in the mornings it's 8:30. So I must just write those times down and figure it out and just take it accordingly to those times. And then also you're gonna have to sanitize. And now, because I did that, I'm gonna have to rinse this before I put it on, otherwise I might reinfect myself. So yeah, this is what I take. those are for the boiled sauce, and then this is for the recovery. So these are separate. These are the antibiotics, and these are for the boiled sauce. And only this is for the recovery. Along with this. And then the only thing I also take with this is calcium for the bones, because the H always goes and lie inside of your bone marrow, and that's why your joints hurt a lot. Accurate. Anyway, bye guys. I hope you have a very merry, blessed day, night, or evening or night, whatever it is, the day.